30 healthy tips to overcome hypertension. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a serious health condition that increases the risk of heart disease, stroke, and kidney failure. Fortunately, it can often be managed or even reversed through lifestyle changes. Here are 30 healthy tips to help you overcome hypertension naturally. 1. Eat more fruits and vegetables, rich in potassium and fiber. They help regulate blood pressure. 2. Reduce salt intake. Aim for less than 2,300 milligrams of sodium daily. 3. Limit processed foods. These often contain hidden salt and unhealthy fats. 4. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days. 5. Maintain a healthy weight. Losing even a few pounds can lower blood pressure. 6. Quit smoking. Tobacco increases blood pressure and damages blood vessels. 7. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive drinking can raise blood pressure. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking water supports kidney function and blood flow. 9. Cut back on caffeine. Too much caffeine can cause a temporary spike in blood pressure. 10. Manage stress. Try yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. 11. Sleep well. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. 12. Monitor your blood pressure. Regular checks can help track improvements. 13. Eat whole grains, rich in fiber. They help maintain heart health. 14. Include low-fat dairy. Calcium and protein support healthy blood pressure. 15. Avoid trans fats found in fried and packaged foods. They raise bad cholesterol. 16. Cook at home. You control the ingredients and portion sizes. 17. Add herbs and spices. Use them instead of salt for flavor. 18. Eat fatty fish. Omega-3 South in fish like salmon help lower pressure. 19. Snack on nuts. Almonds and walnuts are heart-healthy options. 20. Avoid sugar-sweetened drinks. Opt for water or herbal teas. 21. Walk daily. Even short walks add up over time. 22. Practice portion control. Avoid overeating by using smaller plates. 23. Limit red meat. Choose lean proteins like poultry or legumes. 24. Use olive oil, a healthy fat alternative for cooking. 25. Get regular checkups. Stay informed about your condition. 26. Laugh more. Laughter reduces stress and lowers blood pressure. 27. Stay socially connected. Isolation can increase stress. 28. Follow the DASH diet, designed specifically to combat hypertension. 29. Read food labels. Be aware of sodium and fat content. 30. Stay consistent. Long-term habits yield long-term results. By adopting these lifestyle habits, you can take control of your blood pressure and improve your overall health. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this post. Thank you for watching.